Guys, we're in Nolita. We're gonna get some cupcakes and go check out a beautiful garden. Little Cupcake Bakeshop on Prince Street at the corner of Mott was founded in 2005 by Salvatore Lobuglio. They specialize in cupcakes and use only the freshest sustainable ingredients. All baking is done in small batches on site every day using no preservatives or shortening. They also sell layer cakes, sheet cakes, cookies, cheesecakes, pies, pudding, and ice cream. If you're vegan, they have lots of options for you too. Their Brooklyn Blackout Cake was named the best chocolate cake in America by Food and Wine magazine.
Watching him decorate all those cupcakes, you know we had to try one, but it was just so difficult to choose.
They were all chosen as the best cupcakes in the U.S. by Food and Wine magazine. We just got a cookie dough cupcake from the Little Cupcake Bakeshop here in Nolita. We live nearby, so we just walked here. But one of the easiest ways to get to Nolita is to take the F train and get off at the 2nd Avenue station and go across Houston Street. The Elizabeth Street Gallery, located on Elizabeth Street near Prince, is housed in a late 19th century firehouse and former bakery. The gallery space was opened in 2005 by Alan River after purchasing the building to display items from his vast collection of rare and fine objects he acquired from estate sales, including marble and lead statues, cast iron figures, tables, benches, safes, lamps, lighting fixtures, and various architectural pieces. Alan told us that he sells pieces only to continue buying more. One of his most prized possessions is a 10-foot-high original Coney Island shooting gallery, which he purchased in 1991 from a man on Stillwell Avenue who had boarded up the shooting gallery in the 1930s. It was manufactured in Coney Island by the Mangles Company and retains 90% of its original paintwork.
And believe it or not, it still works.
The Elizabeth Street Garden, located right next door to the gallery, is a 1-acre green space that Alan River has leased from the city since 1991. When Alan first leased the land for $4,000 per month, it was a vacant lot filled with trash and had no grass or trees. Alan began planting grass, shrubs, flowers, and trees, and installed gravel pathways leading from one end of the space on Elizabeth Street to Mott Street on the opposite end. He also started filling the garden with items he had obtained from estate sales, including stone sculptures, a gazebo, columns, balustrades, benches, and seating. Sadly, in 2012, the city revealed plans to replace the garden space with a senior affordable housing complex, which ignited a battle between garden advocates and affordable housing supporters. Its future today is uncertain, but local residents and businesses formed the Friends of Elizabeth Street Garden nonprofit to fight the city's plans to raise the garden. Tacombi at Fonda Nolita, located on Elizabeth Street near East Houston, opened in 2010 after its team first began serving tacos out of a VW bus on the beaches of the Yucatan. They converted a garage into a Mexican courtyard setting and set up a 1963 VW Combi bus inside. They're best known for their tacos, quesadillas, and fresh-pressed Mexican juices, jugos, and traditional Mexican drinks, agua fresca. It's hard for us to believe how much the neighborhood has changed since the late 1990s and early 2000s. At the time, it was very industrial and had lots of graffiti-covered buildings. We often remember walking late at night down the quiet streets and buying loaves of fresh out-of-the-oven Italian bread from La Rosa and Son Bakery on Prince at Elizabeth. Hey guys, we really had a great afternoon walking around Nolita and stopping in at Little Cupcake Bakeshop to get a freshly made cupcake, checking out all the unique and rare artifacts and architectural items at the Elizabeth Street Gallery, and then strolling next door with our dog Hudson through the Elizabeth Street Garden, before finally getting some freshly pressed juice at Tacombi at Fonda Nolita. We hope you enjoyed our afternoon in Nolita. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. We'll be posting new videos weekly and plan to visit Chinatown next week. Bye guys!
Bye, guys.